What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Ondo Finance. We could see, looking at it yesterday, the market had no reason for pumping. Left to me, it had absolutely no reason for pumping, but it did pump, and yeah, which brought us to where we currently are. It was as if the pump was of no use. Yeah, it was as if the pump was of no use. We pumped really high. We got to this resistance right here, and I think I need to take all this away right here. So my predictions were right in my previous video that okay, from this level there's every chance for us to go up, and which we did. But the fact that we couldn't break this resistance right here, and we still couldn't find support around this level, the resistance I was talking about was no other than 83 cents. We couldn't break above 83 cents, so we dropped all the way down to we are dropping all the way down to 76 cents. So it was as if all the pump we had yesterday were all futile. So I don't know what was going on in the market, but there is a whole lot of selling pressure going on right now. So if worst case scenario should happen on Ondo, there's every possibility that if Ondo doesn't hold support around this level of 77 cents, there's every chance for us to drop all the way down to 64 cents, guys. Yes, all the way down to 64 cents. That's how crazy it is. Worst case scenario, we might even drop all the way down to 55 cents, because the way the market is going, it's kind of very scary. It's very scary. So we should definitely do not over leverage yourself. If you want to buy deep on Ondo, I would say it's it's okay for you to place some buy orders within this range. I think I'm seeing some. Okay, it's very okay for you to place some buy orders at 0.64 or 64 cents because if this doesn't hold, once the US session opens, the market will really come crumbling down. Markets will crumble down so much, because the only thing, or the only news right now that is kind of making the market kind of shaky is the war between Israel and Iran. And the war between Israel and Iran, honestly speaking, if you look at Bitcoin from that angle, Bitcoin is doing just fine. Bitcoin is doing just fine, guys. But I don't know what is wrong with altcoins. Altcoins are just not following Bitcoin that much, though they are all correlated. But if Bitcoin goes down probably 0.13% or 0.1%, you would see altcoins going down 5%. So it's very scary at this moment. It's very scary, guys. So back to Ondo. Sorry about that. Back to Ondo. As we can see right here, we just need to hope that Ondo holds support within this range of 76 cents all the way to 78 cents. Once we are able to hold support within this range, and we are able to break above this resistance right here, because you could see that we've kind of broken this trend line right here. So if we're able to recover, find support around here, and break this resistance, which is 83 cents, there's every possibility for us to rally much higher. But if you can see from the daily time frame, we have broken below support right here. Yes, we've definitely broken below support right here, and there's also every possibility for us to recover. But with the look of things, it seems like Ondo would have to be going down a lot. Ondo would have to be going down a lot. So this is kind of very scary for Ondo. If you are an Ondo holder, you should be very careful. If this is nothing but time for you to keep on buying the dip, you keep on buying the dip. But for now, you can see that we are at a very funny downtrend right here on Ondo. You could see once we hit this resistance right here, we go down. Once we hit this, we go down. You could see once we hit this, we go down. So that is just how Ondo is playing out right now. That is how Ondo is playing out right now. So probably until we get a breakout above that resistance, then we can rally much higher. But for now, I just don't know what to say, guys. I honestly don't know what to say. So just be careful out there. Trade cautiously. Use your leverage very well. Do not over leverage yourself, just so that you'll be good. That's just all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful week. Peace out.